Multiplying fractions is actually way easier than adding or subtracting them, mainly because you don't need to make common denominators. You can just multiply. Let's start with an example. 2 over 3 times 3 over 8. To multiply the fractions, we just need to multiply the numerators. 2 times 3 gives us 6, so the numerator is 6. Now for the denominator, we just multiply the denominators. 3 and 8 is 24, so that would be our denominator, 24. Now we can reduce this fraction by finding factors of 6 and 24. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6, while the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The greatest common factor here is 6. So we can divide the top and the bottom by 6. This gives us our final answer of 1 over 4. Let's solve another problem. 4 over 6 times 1 over 5. First, we multiply the numerators, which gives us 4. Then we multiply the denominators, which gives us 30. Now we can reduce this fraction by finding the greatest common factor of 4 and 30. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4, while the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. The greatest common factor here is 2, so we can divide the top and the bottom both by 2. This gives us our final answer of 2 over 15. Now that you've had a little practice, pause the video and try solving these 3 problems. Let's solve them now. So for this first one, we would do 5 times 2, which would give us the numerator 10. The denominator would be 2 times 4, 8. 10 and 8 have a common factor of 2, so we can divide the top and the bottom by 2 and get our final answer of 5 over 4. On to the second one. To do this, we do the same thing, multiply the top, which gives us the numerator 1, and then multiply the bottoms, which give us the denominator 8. And that is our final answer, as this cannot be reduced. Now for this last one, we do the same thing. 4 times 1 gives us 4, and 8 times 2 gives us 16. This can be reduced by dividing by 4. So we divide the top by 4 and the bottom by 4, and this gives us our final answer, 1 over 4. And that's it.